This headlight came originally with halogen bulbs, which are completely useless, and today I'm going to upgrade them to HID bulbs. I bought a kit in the Headlight Revolution company that came with the 2 HID bulbs, 55 watts ballast, and all the cables needed for the installation. First thing I'm going to do is remove the dust cap so I can take it out and make a hole where I'm going to pass a grommet with the cable. So since I'm going to make a hole for the plastic grommet in the center, this piece of plastic protruding from the dust cap, it may be in the way, so I'm just going to cut it flush. Next I'm going to make a 7/8 diameter hole. So the installation of this light is very simple. The only challenging part could be the fact that this connector doesn't pass through the hole, so I need to unpin it, which is a very simple task. This is a nice tight fit grommet to the dust cap. So I'm going to close the dust cover. Dust cover is closed. There we go. I'm just gonna let everything hanging out for now until everything is working, and then I'll tidy up the cabling. All right. This should be the low beam. Oh yeah, working. Let me flash the high beam a few times. Oh yeah, I can see the light from the garage already. Huge improvement. To install the HID bulbs on the passenger side, the air box need to come out. So I'm gonna remove the air mass sensor. I'm gonna untie the air intake hose, and just pull the entire air box. There we go. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the cables with a protective sheath. And while I'm doing that, I would like to mention something regarding the Headlight Revolution company. A friend of mine and myself, we bought a few products from them, and one of the things that we realized after having to reach out to their customer service is that probably their customer service is one of the best that we ever seen. The first time I ordered these bulbs, I messed up my order and they got it right, like right away. No question asked. My friend has also a couple of issues and they took care immediately. So if you're in the market for headlights or LED lights or whatever type of lights for your truck, definitely reach out to them. I'm adding now some 3M double side tape so I can get this component attached to the engine bay. There we go. And by the way, I don't know if you realize, but finally the engine bay got clean after 7 years. And before attaching this to the metal panel, I'm just gonna clean it up with a brake cleaner. Perfect. Adding the Headlight Revolution sticker to the Wall of Fame.